Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be attempting the 70s hair trend with this wig from SOWIGS. They sent me this hair and y'all, so far I just love it, love it, love it. But before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. I'm going to link the hair in the description box. And let's get into this video, you all. Okay, so I'm gonna insert some clips of like the packaging and the knots. I feel like this was some of the most easy knots to bleach so far. Like, and I'm not just saying that. I'm not just saying that. But like, I think I did a pretty good job plucking this time. Pretty good job. You will need some little scissors like these. I guess these are, I don't know what you call these. Razor edge scissors from the beauty supply. And a rat tail comb. So we're gonna get right into this. I saw this on TikTok and I thought it was really, really cute. First thing you're gonna do is kind of brush out your hair. Brush out your hair like, this is really cute. We're going for the Farrah Fawcett look. We're going for the Farrah Fawcett look today, like. Okay, so right now, I'm not actually like parting my hair down the middle. I'm just brushing it, like kind of separating it into two halves. Like kind of down the middle. So one thing I'm not that good at is cutting layers, you all. So this is gonna be an experience for all of us. Let me open these scissors. Just bought them from the beauty supply. Okay, so this is scary. First thing we're gonna do is pull this hair up to the front. We're gonna take a like middle piece, not too much, not too thick, not too thick, and pull this piece to the front. Look at this. Like, I really like this wig. Like, this may be my favorite wig I've been sent that wasn't Sideshow. It is. But yeah, we're gonna pull this to the front and we're gonna make bangs. I want this kind of short, you all. I'm trying to make like a TikTok and this video at the same time, so that's why it's like, ah. Cutting hair is just so scary. Y'all, please be careful. I just cut the mess out of myself, like. Ah! I'm back. I had to get a band-aid, but we're good. We have the first piece right here. Kind of don't know where these layers end and begin, but we're gonna take the second piece now. So that's like this section, the section near the ears, kind of. So you have this section that ends here, and you have the second section that ends here. I feel like I want my layers to be like a little more choppy than they are right now. So let's cut some more. Once again, be careful. I never like paid $5 for scissors in my life. These were $5. I just knew they weren't gonna be good. But they were. They are really good. Okay, so we have a layer here, a layer here. I feel like this needs to be shorter. I'm gonna just play with it, you guys. I'm gonna just have fun with this. Let's put some layers towards the back of the head so we can have like a lot more volume. Okay, let's take this first piece we have here. Kind of sectioned it like a bang almost in the frontal. Take our flat iron. And keep twisting the whole time. Okay, I want the curl to be a little higher, so let me twist at a higher point. Oh God. Okay, hold on, let's try this again. This really how 70s or 80s hair just look, and they be done. You know what? We're just gonna keep moving, you guys. We're gonna keep on moving. Let's take this next piece. Their hair really was kind of messy, so however this goes is how it goes. flat iron is super hot. See, I feel like I should have added another layer right there. But let's just keep going and we'll fix it at the end. Okay, it may be giving, maybe. Just trust the process. Trust the process, you guys. We just twisting this flat iron, just playing with it. Like, let's have fun, you guys. Okay, I think I want to add like another layer right here that's really short. So that's what we're gonna do. And now I'm just gonna be curling the back of the hair, adding some extra oomph to it. Some flavor, some style, some passion. Okay, this is definitely like a messy one, okay? It's a little messy, but that's how it's supposed to be, I think. Like, look how feathery this hair is though. Like, this hair looks so, like, especially these bangs over here. I'm here for it. It's cute. If we're just looking at the hair itself. I really want my hair to be big, so I'm gonna go even crazier with some layers back here. I want my hair to be huge. Okay, we are like at the part where you shake it. This is the scary part, you guys. I actually don't hate it. I don't hate it. Like, this part is just straight, so I need to curl it a little bit. But this is kind of it's low-key serving, you guys. This one piece is kind of upsetting me, but excuse me? Excuse? It's kind of a serve. I feel like this needs like to be layered a little more is the problem here. But y'all, I'm scared of me. I'm scared of me. This is kind of cute. I like it. I like it. I like it. Y'all, I brought a fan out, but I low-key think this is a serve. Like, it's not that hard. Like, I don't have it on high. I think this is giving you all, like, it's a look. It's a look. It is a look. Oh my goodness, I look like a model. Like, this is how like high fashion magazines be having the hair, like the hair. I look like a model. We may have to bring this back for real, not like a TikTok trend, but this wig is also bomb. This wig is doing it too. But we may have to, I need a like leather jacket. I feel like this looks a little more 80s than 70s, but look at that hair. I love it. I love big hair anyway, but y'all, that is really it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Like, it's so feathery. It is giving. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Okay, once again, this hair is from SOWIGS. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. The hair is giving. The hair is giving. You all. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.